Hello guys, so today I wanted to do a quick video on unboxing Reebok Driftium shoes. I bought these from Kohl's, which are on sale for 55 bucks, and I did a store pickup, so I didn't have to pay any shipping or anything at all. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So you can see the box. So that came with a nice packaging. So that's the whole box. So inside the box, I believe, so this is the model name. I wanted to do a quick show of what's the model and number and other stuff. And so that's very nice packaging. So let's go ahead and see what's in there. So these are the two shoes. So that's the shoe that I bought. And what I see a difference straight away is the description on site looks accurate, but the picture it looks to be brown on a website, but here it's a gray. Maybe I didn't see the proper description in there, but I feel like if it is brown, it would make more difference, I guess. I like brown shoes. But I feel so this one's got a nice sole. I think they're much comfortable shoes, and that's the inside of the shoe. I don't know if you guys can see it. And it came with a nice packaging. So I like those two shoes. Let's see where's the other one. So those are the two shoes. You can see. I'm going to put it down here. So that's it for now. Thank you. Let me know your opinion.